Bianca Ojukwu obi ajọ gị. Bianca Ojukwu obi abụọ gị. Nne m, person face go fine but mind go be stone. Ese m diko na-emere ụmụ utobe ebere. Na-emere ụmụ utobe ebere. But we are happy you are responding to them this way. At least it will help awaken them. If this is what it will take to get these people to think well, for their brain to reset, I have no problem with it. And if you've been behaving this way, we wouldn't be having issues with people like us. But I think you need to go a step further, which is telling them there is no Biafra anywhere. Tell them it's a fraud. We are happy you responded to them this way. At least the ones who are destined for salvation will learn from this. Let them know that the hope they are digging, there is no animal in it, not even the smallest rodents. Let them realize they are being fooled. Let them understand that there is no alternative. Currently, there is no alternative to being Nigerian. Nothing, no matter how they feel, no matter what they think, no matter what their mind is telling them. You know, we have done many things to try to save these people. Maybe this is the only one that will work. So kudos to Bianca Ojukwu. At least we found a common ground. These ones now, especially the ones that have been rethinking their ways, it will help them to find the right path. That being said, kudos for setting their brains straight. Let them go and cry.